Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0101, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0101? What's the symbolism of 0101? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0101 mean for love? What does 0101 mean for twin flames? What does 0101 for manifestation? How does angel number 0101 affect finances? What does 0101 mean for former relationships? How does 0101 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0101? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0101? What's the meaning of angel number 0101? Angel number 0101 is a message of new beginnings, personal power, and spiritual awakening. It combines the energy of 0, symbolizing divine potential and spiritual journeys, with the individuality and ambition of 1. Seeing 0101 is a reminder to trust your instincts, take initiative, and embrace fresh starts. This number often appears when you're at a crossroads, encouraging bold action guided by intuition. Your angels are letting you know that now is the time to shape your destiny with positive thoughts and determined effort. It's about becoming a conscious creator of your reality with divine support. What's the symbolism of angel number 0101? Symbolically, angel number 0101 reflects independence, fresh perspectives, and infinite potential. The number 1 stands for new chapters, leadership, and self-reliance, while 0 magnifies spiritual depth and the cyclical nature of life. The mirrored form of 0101 signifies balance between inner thought and outer action. It also symbolizes unity with the universe and the beginning of a spiritual awakening. When this number appears, it's a cue to focus on your inner guidance while taking intentional steps toward your goals. The repetition amplifies its urgency. Act now with courage and clarity, while trusting the divine flow guiding your journey. What is the angel number 0101 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 0101 represents divine connection, soul awakening, and alignment with your higher purpose. It encourages deep introspection and embracing your unique spiritual path with confidence. The number 0 indicates oneness with Source and infinite spiritual potential, while the number 1 represents conscious creation and personal growth. Together, they urge you to align your actions with your inner truth and stay attuned to divine signs. It's a call to begin anew spiritually, shed outdated beliefs, and open yourself to intuitive guidance. Your angels are supporting your soul evolution, reminding you that you're never alone on your spiritual path. What does angel number the 0101 mean for love? In love, angel number 0101 emphasizes authenticity, new beginnings, and self-love as a foundation for meaningful relationship. It may suggest the start of a new romantic connection or the need to renew and reset an existing one. This number urges you to be honest about your desires and create emotional clarity in your love life. If you're single, 0101 advises focusing on personal growth before seeking partnership. For those in relationships, it highlights the importance of communication and independence. Love should be rooted in mutual respect and freedom, not dependency. Trust that love aligned with your soul will find you. What does angel number 0101 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 0101 often signifies the beginning of a significant new phase in the connection. It may indicate an upcoming meeting, reunion, or energetic shift between you and your twin flame. The mirrored pattern symbolizes reflection, divine timing, and synchronicity, key elements in twin flame relationship. This number reminds both individuals to prioritize their own growth and healing, as true union begins within. It suggests the bond is guided by a higher purpose and spiritual awakening. 0101 encourages you to trust the journey, release control, and allow the universe to guide the unfolding of your connection. What does angel number 0101 for manifestation? Angel number 0101 is a powerful sign that your thoughts are actively shaping your reality. It's a reminder that you're in a prime position to manifest your desires, so long as your intentions are clear and aligned with your soul's path. The number 1 encourages action, belief, and confidence in your creative power, while 0 amplifies spiritual energy and possibility. You are being nudged to think positively, visualize clearly, and take inspired steps toward your goals. Stay mindful of what you're putting out into the universe, because manifestation is occurring more quickly than usual under the influence of 0101. How does angel number 0101 affect finances? Financially, angel number 0101 signals fresh starts, new opportunities, and the importance of a proactive mindset. It may indicate that a financial breakthrough or entrepreneurial path is opening for you, especially if you've been seeking change. The number advises you to take initiative in money matters. Start that budget, launch your side hustle, or invest wisely. It's also a call to trust your instincts and remain optimistic about your financial future. Align your money decisions with your long-term vision and values. Angelic guidance is helping you create abundance, but it requires courage, discipline, and faith in your capabilities. What does angel number 0101 mean for former relationships? When it comes to former relationships, 0101 suggests closure, healing, and personal growth. It signals a time to reflect on what the relationship taught you and to release any emotional baggage holding you back. Whether reconciliation is on your mind or you're moving forward alone, this number urges you to prioritize self-love and inner peace. Sometimes, it marks the beginning of a fresh relationship dynamic, either with the same person after growth or with someone new. Ultimately, 0101 is about empowerment after emotional endings. Trust that whatever leaves your life is making space for something more aligned with your soul. How does angel number 0101 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 0101 represents innovation, leadership, and the start of new professional journeys. You may be guided to take a bold step, apply for a new role, launch a business, or shift your direction entirely. The number encourages you to trust your vision and be proactive in achieving your goals. It's also a reminder to break free from limiting beliefs or routines that no longer serve you. 0101's energy supports ambition and creative thinking, but it also requires initiative. Your angels are nudging you toward a work life that aligns with your true purpose and passion. What are the strengths of angel number 0101? Angel number 0101 carries strengths like boldness, independence, and spiritual insight. It empowers individuals to take charge of their destiny with confidence and clarity. This number supports natural leadership, intuitive thinking, and the ability to create fresh starts when needed. It also encourages optimism and a strong connection to divine guidance, making it easier to navigate challenges with faith. People influenced by 0101 are often innovative, visionary, and unafraid to blaze their own trail. Their ability to embrace change and initiate new beginnings makes them resilient and highly adaptable to shifting life circumstances and opportunities. What are the weaknesses of angel number 0101? Despite its empowering nature, angel number 0101 can bring challenges such as impulsiveness, restlessness, and over-independence. Individuals influenced by this number might struggle with commitment or fear vulnerability in relationships, preferring to go it alone. They may also act too quickly without planning, leading to missed details or unfinished projects. The strong push for change can result in burnout if not tempered with patience and balance. Additionally, there can be a tendency to ignore intuition in favor of action. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to balance self-reliance with collaboration and channel energy into thoughtful, intentional pursuit.